conference, where numerous attendees had the opportunity to witness cutting-edge robots from around the globe. The event featured over 30 newly introduced products at its exhibition, showcasing a blend of state-of-the-art artificial intelligence, manufacturing prowess, and advanced control technologies. These innovations are aimed not only at benefiting experts and factories but also at catering to the needs and desires of consumers. The conference marked a platform for unveiling these remarkable advancements, highlighting the integration of AI, manufacturing, and control to create a new wave of highly advanced and useful robotic creations. At the highly anticipated World Robot Conference held in Beijing, a remarkable assemblage of over 500 robot sets, hailing from 130 distinct enterprises, was put on display. This congregation of cutting-edge robotics encompassed an array of innovative designs and functionalities, capturing the attention of attendees and enthusiasts alike. Notably, this gathering also marked the global premieres of more than 30 of these robotic marvels, introducing the world to groundbreaking technological advancements. The World Robot Conference in Beijing was showcasing an extraordinary ensemble of over 700 cutting-edge robots, each embodying the forefront of technological innovation. Among these remarkable creations, one standout has captured the imagination of attendees: the real-life embodiment of a transformer. This captivating robotic marvel, inspired by the iconic fictional characters, takes center stage as a testament to the remarkable strides achieved in robotics. Its presence not only serves as a testament to human ingenuity but also highlights the convergence of imagination and engineering prowess, captivating audiences and exemplifying the incredible possibilities that lie within the realm of modern robotics. At the heart of the Smart China Expo, a captivating tableau emerges, spotlighting the harmonious merging of time-honored traditions and state-of-the-art technology. The stage becomes a theater of wonder, where a skillfully orchestrated performance unfolds. A robot takes the lead, showcasing its adeptness in both the meticulous preparation and elegant presentation of Chinese tea. This mesmerizing display not only underscores the seamless integration of cultural heritage and modern innovation but also highlights the profound capabilities of robotics to breathe life into cherished practices. Nestled in the eastern reaches of China, Taizhou emerges as a thriving hub where numerous privately owned enterprises have harnessed the potential of intelligent manufacturing, turning visions into tangible realities. A remarkable testament to this dynamic landscape is the unveiling of a cutting-edge robotic marvel, a true emblem of innovation. This extraordinary creation stands as a testament to human ingenuity, as it deftly maneuvers through intricate processes to craft a fully formed frying pan in a mere span of slightly over 2 minutes. Amidst the vibrant atmosphere of the 14th China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition in Zhuhai City, a remarkable innovation takes center stage, the debut of a Chinese-developed quadruped bionic robot, colloquially referred to as the robot dog. This cutting-edge creation has garnered the keen interest of a multitude of attendees, capturing their imagination with its amazing design and capabilities. Brimming with a repertoire of sophisticated intelligence systems, the robot dog boasts a versatility that extends beyond conventional expectations. This convergence of advanced technology and engineering ingenuity exemplifies the nation's dedication to pioneering futuristic advancements in robotics and defense. Stepping into the spotlight at the 5th China International Import Expo in Shanghai is the multitasking Robot Cluster Service Station, a groundbreaking innovation poised to redefine the realm of service. A testament to relentless ingenuity, this system stands adorned with an impressive arsenal of 680 patents, a majority of which, over 70%, bear the distinction of being invention patents. These robotic marvels gracefully fulfill a spectrum of roles within the exhibition hall, seamlessly navigating between ushering and guiding attendees, conducting security patrols, and even spearheading environmental recycling efforts.